Good morning, dear students. How are you today? Hope all of you are doing very well, and I'm also okay. Let me check, is everything okay or not? If you just inform me, it will be very good for my well-going. Okay. Yes. Can you hear me? Is sound okay? Is the frame okay? Please tell me. Okay, please give me a response, please. Otherwise, I will not be able to continue. Because I will take the class and you will not hear anything. So this is very embarrassing, you know. Okay, I am sharing it. Okay. Yes, Shobud Hassan sir said nice. Okay, that means is sound okay, sir? Can you inform me? Is the frame okay? Can I start the class? Okay. Yusuf Ali sir said thanks, thank you. Actually, I am not understanding if it is okay or not. Yes, okay. Thank you sir. So let's start our today's class. Yes. Okay. Dear learners, you know, today in my previous class, I have started our new unit, that is unit 6, and I have took the class on lesson 1, and it was about Nepal, our very close country, our very close neighboring country. Okay, those who are with me for the first time today, let me introduce myself. I am Farzana Anwar. I have been working as an assistant teacher in Ikhu Gobeshona High School, BSRI, Ishordi, Pabna. So today we will start our class on lesson 2. Okay, let's get started. Okay, after finishing our today's class, we will be able to listen for information. We listen some information. We will read and understand text, and also we will be able to fill in some blanks. Okay, so dear students, can you see the picture? This is a country and this is the flag of that very country. Okay, so what is this? Do you know the name? Yes, I know. You know it very clearly. This is Sri Lanka and it is called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Just look at the picture here. This is the Indian Ocean and it's just like a pearl. Look, the shape, it is just a pearl, and as it is the Indian Ocean, so it is called the pearl in the Indian Ocean. Okay, so our today's topic is on Sri Lanka. Before going to learn Sri Lanka, let's know some vocabulary. Okay, first, reveal. This is reveal. Okay, reveal. Reveal. R-E-V-E-A-L. Reveal. And look at the picture. Can you relate this word and the picture? someone is revealing the curtain. Okay, look at the example. Someone is revealing the stage. There is a stage behind the curtain and someone is revealing the curtain. So what does it mean? This is make previously unknown or secret information known to others, that is make known to others. কারো কাছে কোনো কিছু পরিচিত করিয়ে দেয়া, which was previously unknown, যেটা আগে unknown ছিল, অজানা ছিল, or secret information, অথবা কোনো গোপন তথ্য। তার মানে কোনো গোপন জিনিসকে যেটা আগে মানুষের অজানা ছিল সেটা নতুন করে জানিয়ে দেয়াটাই হচ্ছে রিভিল, উন্মোচন করা, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি উন্মোচন করা, দ্যাট ইজ রিভিল। সো ইট ইজ আ ভার্ব। ওকে, নাও লেটস গো ফর দ্য next word, enshrined. This is enshrined. Can you repeat after me? Enshrined. This is C-E-C-I-E. You can say ancient. No, this is not ancient. This is enshrined. Okay. Look at the picture. This is a symbol of enshrined history. Okay. Example, Paharpur is a symbol of enshrined civilization. Paharpur is a symbol of enshrined civilization. Civilization, সভ্যতা, তোমরা এটা জানো। Okay, so what is the meaning? Meaning is belonging to the very distant past. Very distant past, not yesterday or just near past. Okay, অনেক দূরের অতীত, and no longer in existence, যেটা এখন আর কোনো অস্তিত্ব নাই, that is enshrined. If you say my cloth is enshrined, if you say like this, that means it is old but not enshrined, as it has the existence. Okay, যে জিনিসটার এখন আর অস্তিত্ব নাই, অনেক দূরের অতীতে ছিল, that is enshrined. Okay, now this is adjective, and you know in my every class I told you that please learn the vocabs with parts of speech, otherwise you will not be able to use it in your sentences. Okay, our next word is coastline. Our next word is coastline. Okay, can you see that? Coastline. Yeah, look at the picture. This is the coastline area. Can you see the coastline area? Look at the sentence. There is a hilly area. Hilly area, that means the area where is full of hills. Hilly area along the coastline. Along the coastline. So I think you can guess it. And its meaning, the land along a coast. Coast is উপকূল. উপকূল ধরে যে এলাকাটা, that is the coastline. Okay. And it is noun. It is noun. Good. Okay, let me check, is there any other comments that everything is okay? Mufijur Rahman sir, thanks. Okay, nice. Yes, thank you Shahana. Anindo Paul is watching. Thank you Anindo. Rafiqul Islam sir, hello, how are you? Yeah, Moinul sir, thank you for watching with me. Okay, thank you. Now our next class, our next word is multiracial. Okay, look here, two part multi, many, racial, race, that means many nations, something regarding nations, many nations. Look at the picture here. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6, are they same? Look at the skin color, look at the shape and all the things. Actually this symbolizes the different nations. Okay, and look at the sentence. Sri Lanka is a multi-racial country, that means it has a country, Sri Lanka is a country which has many races, that means here race means nations. Okay, so made up of our relating to people of many races. Okay, that means whose features are different, whose cultures are different, lots of people, that is the race. Okay, so this is adjective, this is adjective. Very good. Our next word is chronicle. Chronicle, this is chronicle. Okay, chronicle, can you repeat after me? Chronicle. Yes, thank you. Look at the picture. Yes, this is a very famous work, Mahabhashma, the great chronicle of Ceylon. That is, it is all the origins of Sri Lanka, the present time, past time, all the civilization, everything is covered in this great work. Okay, now look at the sentence. Mahabhashma or the Great Chronicle is a very important work for the Lankans. These Lankans means the people of Sri Lanka. Okay, so what is the meaning? A factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. Okay, good. Now, okay, historical events in the order of their occurrence. Occurrence means ঘটনা, মানে যেভাবে ঘটনা ঘটেছিল ঠিক তার ধারাবাহিকভাবে হিস্ট্রিক্যাল ইভেন্টস ইন দ্য অর্ডার অফ, যেভাবে যেভাবে ঘটেছিল ঠিক সেভাবে সেভাবে প্রেজেন্ট করাটাই হচ্ছে ক্রনিকল, ধারাবাহিক উপস্থাপন। ওকে, and it is noun. And our next word is merchant. It is, I think, comparatively easy. Merchant, look at the picture here. He is a merchant and she is a buyer. So can you relate the picture with the word? Mr. Rahman is a famous merchant in his locality. And look at the meaning. So what could be the meaning? A person who traffics, লেনদেন করে. Here traffic means লেনদেন করা. Traffics in commodities. Commodities means different goods, different things for profit. লাভের জন্য কেউ যদি কোনো কিছু, কোনো দ্রব্য লেনদেন করে, that is merchant. যিনি করেন, that very person is a merchant. So you can easily say that it is a noun. Okay, our next word, archaeology. Archaeology. Okay, can you repeat after me? Archaeology. Good. Look at the picture here. This is, there are some students, some people, they are doing the archaeological work. Okay, so can you guess what are they doing here and what is the picture about? Wari Bateshar is a tourist attraction for its archaeology. Do you know Wari Bateshar? Yes, I know, you know it very well. Wari Bateshar is in Norsingdi and there is an architectural historical background there. Okay, and many tourists, many people go there to see that very archaeological beauty. So what is archaeology? The study of the past, অতীত সম্পর্কে কোনো পড়াশোনা, কোনো গবেষণা, by excavating and analysis of its material remains. By excavation, that means খনন করে যদি কোনো আগের অতীতকে বের করে সেই সম্পর্কে জানাশোনা, পড়াশোনা এবং যে জিনিসটা পাওয়া গেল খনন করার পর সেটা নিয়ে আলোচনাটাই হচ্ছে আর্কিওলজি। সো আই থিঙ্ক ইউ গট দ্য মিনিং। দিস ইজ নাউন। ওকে, নাও this is all about our vocabulary. So let's know more about Sri Lanka. And you will be very happy to know that you will get so many similarities here in Sri Lanka, in our country. So let's see the description. This is the intro of the Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is a variously known as Serendip, Ceylon, teardrop of India, pearl of Indian Ocean, etc. So look at the shape. Sometimes it looks like the teardrop, chokher pani, teardrop, and the pearl, just like a pearl. Its size is very small in regarding to the Indian Ocean. So this is very small, and for this it is called the pearl of the Indian Ocean. So these are the different names of Sri Lanka: Serendip, Ceylon, Teardrop of India, and these two are previously known. Now it is called Sri Lanka. As far I recall that since 1972 its name has been changed into Sri Lanka. And Teardrop of India, Pearl of Indian Ocean, okay. And these names reveal the richness, unmochon kore. Can you remember? These names reveal the richness and beauty of these islands. That means this island is a very rich in beauty and it is very rich. Many travelers, mariners, do you know mariners? Who travels in marines or works in a marine, okay? Nabik. The many travelers, mariners and merchants were attracted by its beauty, sorry, there should be an S, by its beauty, and still it is the same as before. That means previously it was attracted by different travelers, mariners and the merchants, but still it is also very attracted point for the travelers also, okay. Now let's see more about Sri Lanka, its land area, okay. Look at the picture here. It is covered north to south and east to west, okay. So 415, that means 415 kilometers from north to south. Here north to south up to this it is 415 kilometers and 220 kilometers east to west, this type. The length here you can say, if it is, you can consider it length, that is this one, and if you consider this wide, it is this one, that is east to west, it is 220 kilometers. So you can say that it is not a very big country, okay. So total land area 65,600 square kilometers, total land area, okay. And you know, as Indian Ocean is surrounded by it, then it has a long coastline area, and its coastline area is more than 1340 kilometers, okay. So these are the coastline area. একদম সমুদ্রের পাশ দিয়ে, সাগরের পাশ দিয়ে যে এরিয়াটার কোস্টলাইন, উপকূল ধরে যে এলাকাটা, that is the coastline area, okay. Now let's know about the population of Sri Lanka. Its total population is 20 million, you know, 1 million is 10 lakhs, okay. So I think you can count it now. Population 20 million. So what do you think? It is population is very high regarding its size or low? What is your opinion, okay? Think. So among this population, Sinhalese, a group of people, Sinhalese, they are 74.3%, Sri Lankan Tamils 11.5%, Indian Tamils 4.2%, and Sri Lankan Moors. These Sri Lankan Moors, these are the Muslims, okay, these, and they are 10%. Look at the graph here, you can easily understand 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 major groups living in Sri Lanka, and I have already given you the data how many percentage are living in Sri Lanka, okay. So let's know about these ethnic groups. As they are the groups, they are the ethnic groups in Sri Lanka, okay. Let's know about the ethnic groups, okay. Yeah, look, very colorful and very diversity in their culture. You can see the Sinhalese, look at the dress, look at their attitude, look at their physical appearance, all are different, okay. Sinhalese, they are the most of the people are Sinhalese. Sri Lankan Tamils, you have already known that they have 2 Tamils, Sri Lankan Tamils and the Indian Tamils. So Sri Lankan Tamils, they are these peoples are Sri Lankan Tamils, okay. And look here, they are the Indian Tamils, and Here you can see the Sri Lankan Moors. And what is the other name of Sri Lankan Moors? Muslims. They are the Muslims. Okay. You will be surprised to know that the ancient inhabitants of Sri Lanka is called Beddas. They are the fifth ethnic groups. Okay, Beddas. They are the very ancient people of Sri Lanka, the earliest inhabitants. Okay. So as they are the earliest, mostly they are the hunter people. Okay. So look at their culture, look at the people. So, and they don't live in the city, they live in the rural area and near the forest. Okay. Now, what we have learned so far, we have known the different names of Sri Lanka, we have learned the population, we have learned the different ethnic groups. So, this is quiz time. Okay. Are you ready, students? Okay, let's start the quiz. Actually, this is a fill in the gap, okay? And you have to fill it within 1 minute. So, why 1 minute? It is easy, very easy. As you have already learned it, I hope you will give me the correct answer. So, let's see. There are dash 4 main ethnic groups. They are Sinhalese, Sri Lankan Tamils, dash and Sri Lankan Moors, who are known as dash. The earliest residents of Sri Lanka are known as dash. Okay, learners, do it quickly. First, let me check if you can give me the answer or not. Yes, thank you. Racial, yes, thank you. Thank you, Abdullah Saleh. Okay. সুন্দর কিন্তু পুরোপুরি দেখা যায় না। পুরোপুরি দেখা যাচ্ছে না কেন? Okay, let me check the camera. Okay, I think, okay dear, can you tell me, is it okay now? Can't see full screen. Kaisar Dalal, can you, Kaisar, can you inform me that it is okay now? Somebody says you can't see me, but somebody informed me it was okay. ভালোভাবে দেখা যাচ্ছে না। এমদাদুল হক, now can you please, I have did it, can you please tell me now it is okay? Yeah, somebody says okay. Yeah, that's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Rafiqul Islam sir, thank you. It is okay. Okay, thank you. Now let's carry on. Okay, good. So what would be our right answer? Okay, generally there are generally 4 main ethnic groups. Okay, so we have got them, and then Sri Lankan Tamils, Indian Tamils. Okay, and then Moors, who are known as Muslims. Good. And Beddas. So the ancient earliest residents of Sri Lanka are known as Beddas. Thank you. So now let's move to the next slides. What we can see there are more information about Sri Lanka. Okay, economy. Okay, economy based on agriculture. Actually, the economy of Sri Lanka is basically based on agriculture. You can see this is a tea garden, this is a rubber garden, and this is a coconut tree, that means full of coconut trees. And there, as there is the maximum the agriculture based economy, they emphasis on exporting. Okay, so these three things, these three products are the mainly they are exporting products. Okay, so their main economy depends on this tea, exporting of tea, rubber, and look how they collect rubber. The rubber, actually they first collect the extract. Here look, in a cup, in a bowl, they collect the extracts, then they process it, after that they export it. And these are there are lots of groups of coconut garden. Okay, and they have also a rich collection of spices. These are the cinnamon. Look, this is cardamom and this is pepper. Okay, so what is this actually? Actually the rich spices. And one interesting thing I like to add, that this Sri Lanka, the cinnamon was first found in Sri Lanka, and after that by the Arab merchants, these cinnamons were distributed to the whole world, and then the people of the world know what is cinnamon and how they are used. Okay, so they are the first introducer of cinnamon, the Sri Lankans. These are the cloves and the nutmeg. This is also a spice, probably who have experience in kitchen. I hope your mother or anybody, you can see that actually if in our rich food we use these spices, that is the nutmeg, that is it is in a hard shell like a nut. There is, and this is used, it was dried and crushed, then we use it in the cooking. Okay, so this is spices. Okay, so these spices are also very important for the economy of Sri Lanka. Now let's see the archaeological beauties of Sri Lanka. Look at the archaeological beauties. I have they're very what should I say, that is very rare collection of archaeological beauties of Sri Lanka. You will not get it in your book, so I request you to see the archaeological beauties here, because these are okay. I have collected it for throughout the night actually. So this treasure is compared to the golden age of Greece, the Roman Empire, and Mayan citadel. Mayan is also a civilization, and citadel is a durgo. That means Mayan citadels, look at this like a citadels. So these are compared to the golden age of Greece, Roman Empire, and Mayan citadels. Okay, so these are very rich archaeological beauties in Sri Lanka. Okay, natural beauties. And as it is an island country, you can easily understand that Sri Lanka has a rich natural beauty. Okay, look at the cascading waterfalls. They are the Azure Sea. Somebody you can say Azure, it's also correct. And look at the coconut trees, the hilly areas, the wildlife. Okay, so look at the variety. Sri Lanka is full of variety. Sri Lanka is blessed with azure seas, sandy beaches, green hills, cascading waterfalls. Cascading means flowing one after one. Okay, abundant wildlife, lots of wildlife, and a variety of flowers and fruits. Lots of flowers and fruits are found in Sri Lanka. Now, natural, if you, as it is full of seas island country, people and tourists love to do snorkeling, swimming, fishing and sailing there. You know swimming, you know fishing, I think. So I have not collected any picture for those two activities. So look at the snorkeling. What is snorkeling? With some of the equipments, look at the equipments, people go under the sea and enjoy the beauty under the sea, and this is sailing. Okay, so Sri Lanka is a famous place for snorkeling and sailing, and as there is a lot vast sea, people also enjoy swimming and fishing. Okay, so our last quiz. Okay, so what we have learned? We have learned here the ethnic groups, we have learned the economy, and we have also seen the natural beauties. Okay, now let's fill up these blanks, fill in these blanks. Okay, Sri Lanka is blessed with blue seas, green hills and flowing dash. The country has a wide variety of fruits and dash. People can enjoy dash, swimming, fishing and sailing there. Okay, so please quickly complete the blanks. Okay. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay, hope you got your answers. Sri Lanka is blessed with blue seas, green hills and flowing cascades. Okay, what is flowing? That means cascading waterfalls. Okay, so that means flowing waterfalls. So here before we have learned that cascading waterfalls. So here flowing waterfalls. So can you get the similarities? Yes. Now the country has a wide variety of fruits and flowers. Very easy. People can enjoy snorkeling, swimming, fishing and sailing there. Okay, so this is the end of the quiz time, and now this is your homework. So how do you find the class? Did you enjoy the class, dear students? Hope you enjoyed, and we have together we have learned many information about Sri Lanka, isn't it? Now this is your homework. Find similarities in natural beauties of Sri Lanka and Bangladesh and present them in a column. That means first you have to compare the that means find out the similarities. Okay, what similarities Sri Lanka and Bangladesh have in their natural beauties. Okay, and in column, that means in two column, one column is Sri Lanka and another column is Bangladesh, and side by side you will write the answer and find the similarities. Okay, for example, it has a sandy beach. Bangladesh also has a sandy beach. Okay, and a long beach, azure sea, these are common, these are similar. It also has in Sri Lanka, also in Bangladesh. So find out more natural beauties between this Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Okay, and that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class, and see you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.